Welcome, guys. This is the trendy dancehall, and we're gonna talk about the absence of Shenseea Mom right now. It's not much of a something that flattering. But we have to just talk about it, as me, and more to help me pray for you, as me, and send positiveness and blessing in a fair direction. Alright, guys, so if you haven't subscribed as yet, please do so we can kick it off like this. Yo, this just sad, people. People, this really sad. I don't know where to talk. I don't know where to start from. You see me? Jano, it's like Shenseea Mom, I not even know say she's sick. If you look on Shenseea Mother, she look fit and fine, people. You see me? Jano people, R.I.P. Shenseea Mom, sleep in peace. Please comment down below if you feel a way like myself right now. Cause she don't lose her father, people. Now she lose her mother, both parents. You get me? And she have a young son growing up named Roger, you get me? And so the absence of him grandparents them now go there, but hopefully life a life and it still a keep. So we are sent all good things over there today, you see me? Jano, that is so final, people. Jano, you're there today, maybe there today, tomorrow, another scene. Just cherish every bit, every last bit alive. Like, I lost, you see me? I feel this man, I gotta tell no lie. You see me? I know she did love her mother back of that. You see me, peeps? It's just tragic, guys. Yo, between me and you, Shenseea Mom just never looked sick, guys. To be honest, Jano. You see me? So tragic. And please, guys, do not bother go post up the woman, the girl, old lady, and tag the girl. Please, not do that. You see me? I want each and every individual comment below. Tell me how to think about the world situation, the world thing. You see me? I'm wanting to pay close attention to 2020 this year. You see me? Just want to pay close attention to all of them tragic situation, yeah, and it's like unexpected. Joe, this is just just collateral damage, bro. Life too short. The same thing me I said the other day. No negative vibes. You get me? When I have time for live that way, you get me? Life too short. People love one another, each other, and help uplift one another. You see me? Guys, me look on things different, people. You see me? And remember, Shenseea just uplift herself in her life and live it up. You get me? And her mother Jaja, yo, when she shouldn't enjoy her life, I know say her daughter finally make it. You see me, mommy, you just drop out, so gosh man, mommy. Cry, you make me want to cry for you. Not deliberately tears, but you see me. Just as the bee said to ourselves, and even said to herself, just as the bee wanted to give her mother the best in the world. Jano, R.I.P. mommy. She was the lady that always smiling in her post with her daughter, you see me? Yeah, man, people, so just want to appreciate everything we want to have the same way, you see me? Help me send out prayers to Shenseea. Everybody just dead off from the other day, yo, you see me? It's like gotta come for him world as far as me see it, you see me? Clearly is near. What you think? Alright, guys, so reason why me come debate about this is because me rate Shenseea in our ways. Me rate her, you see me? Actually we rate everybody we represent Jamaica and our culture, you get me? When I realize say enough things that take place, so me just there for inform when I'm there for the people, so please do subscribe, like and share. Watch the rest of it.